Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make tomato pure at home step by step. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of salt. You're also going to need 3 tablespoons of sugar, a half a cup of lime or lemon juice, and lastly 24 chopped tomatoes. In a large pot, add all the chopped tomatoes, or you can also blend them before putting them in the pot. Then cover them and let them cook slowly by slowly. Once you get to see the tomatoes are starting to cook, open the lid and let the tomatoes to cook slowly by slowly without covering them. Make sure the flame is on low-medium fire and stir constantly to avoid the tomato from sticking at the bottom. Once the tomato starts to becoming thick, add 2 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and a half a cup of lime or lemon juice, and mix everything well and let them to continue cook till thick. You will have to let the tomato to cook till the tomato is thick and the water is completely dry. It took me about 1 hour and 20 minutes till the tomato pure to become thick like this, and remove it from the fire and let it to cool down. Once your tomato paste has cooled down, put it in a tight container and place it in the fridge. And my tomato paste is ready. As you can see in the video, it can last for approximately 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.